Hey, hi, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Petit Vour unboxing for October. I was away on vacation. This came while we were away. That's why you're getting it so late in the month. Before we get started, I just filmed my Kinder Beauty October box unboxing, and this Jane Iredale lip gloss came in it in the color Blossom, and here's what it looks like. There is color, but it's very minimum, and it's very sheer. If I go like this, you can still see some of the staining from wearing a really dark lipstick on my lips last night. So it doesn't really offer a lot of coverage or opacity, but it is a really pretty, just kind of your lips, but better, just kind of amplifies the lips a little. And I think this would look nice on all skin tones, just because it just adds a little extra something. Doesn't do a whole lot, but I do kind of wish there was more color because it's pretty color, but I'm still going to use it. It's an easy one to throw in your purse. It doesn't require a lot of precision, so that's kind of nice. Now let's go ahead and tuck into this box. So here is our card for the month. Some little witches' booties, whichever way you want to put them. I think it's fun either way. Really cute. I like this. And I have a friend who likes to collect stuff like this because she does crafting. I think she would like this card quite a bit, so I'll probably give this to her. So we're getting 4 products this month. Let's just jump right in. Very excited for this one because Austin and I actually really liked the last 100% pure hand cream we got. This is the 100% pure blood orange hand butter cream, whatever you want to call it. So this is a $16 value. That's a lot of money for this little tube. I'm not gonna lie, it lasts a long time because you're only using it on your hands. Well, at least I do, because I put these in my nightstand and use them at night. But that is a lot of money for this tiny tube. Kind of crazy. Anyway, the description says non-greasy hand cream made with rich cacao, avocado, and shea butters, fortified with anti-aging vitamins and superfruit antioxidants for soft, supple skin. So I'm glad to have this again. I hate the idea of having to repurchase it because $16 for this tiny tube feels a little exorbitant, but glad to have it again. I think the last one I had was like some sort of gingerade flavor. I don't think it was the blood orange one, so I can't really speak to the scent. The next item is the Ellis Brooklyn Salt Eau de Parfum sample. This is a $3 value. The description says, sorry, I got confused because the card has like a misprint. It has this listed as Province Apothecary when this is obviously Ellis Brooklyn. I think that was just a mistake, or I don't even see anywhere where they might have been produced by them. Yeah, I think it's just a printing mistake. Anyway, the description says salty skin, the creamy heat of the sun, and a whiff of tropical florals. Salt is sensual, complex, and soul healing. Features heady notes of vegan ambergris with tropical floral notes of Tahitian tiar and warmth of sandalwood and musk. Now, I'm pretty sure I have this sample. I ordered like a Ellis Brooklyn sample set, but I don't know that I've gotten to this one yet, so let's go ahead and try it. Yeah, the scent is really nice. I think I'd have to wear it a few days in a row to really get the vibe to see if it's me, but on initial spray, it's not off-putting to me. Like, it smells really pretty. So I'm excited to give this a try, and if I like it, I already know I have another one of these little travel size ones anyway, so that's pretty cool. I have something exciting in my empties this month, fragrance related, so stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video after this. I mean, there might be concert clips in between, but it'll be my next seated video. I'm very happy with this though. The next item we have is the 100% pure makeup blender. This is a latex free one. So we got 2 100% pure products this month. Very interesting. I am on a sponge journey. I used to really hate them. Now I'm trying to kind of get more into them. And so I'm excited to try one from this brand because I don't think I ever have. So pretty happy with that too. Not a bad box so far. We have 1 item left. Before we get to the last item, let me read you the description because I tend to get ahead of myself. This is an $18 value. Odor-free, latex-free makeup sponge featuring a versatile design for delivering seamless blending, detailing, and application of liquid and cream formulas. I would say this is the standard design of these, to be completely honest, but excited to try it. The last item in the box is from Earth Harbor. This is their Obscura Detoxifying Reset Ampule with black seaweed and Picuccio. So let's take a look, because they're always a fun color, these Earth Harbor products. Oh, so this is the black one. I think I might have this, to be completely honest. I'll have to go double check. It says this is a $44 value. This lightweight night treatment is a full-on star non-comedogenic youth preserving ingredients. This is a mouthful. Okay. Black seaweed, Picuccio, black cumin seed, bamboo charcoal, and linoleic acid that provide all skin types with an effortless detox potion, sending toxins, breakouts, and dullness into oblivion. Time to make your skin smile. I had to run to the medicine cabinet and check, and yes, this is the one I'm actively using. I actually really like this product. I think it provides a really nice layer of moisture, and on top of all these other really great ingredients in here. So I'm excited to have another one. I'm going to leave it in the box and put it in my medicine cabinet on the shelf where I have all my extra products. Very happy to have another one of these because I use it fairly regularly. As you can see, I'm halfway through this one, and I think it is a really nice extra step when you want a little extra moisture and love and nourishment for your skin. I used the crap out of this when I had really chapped nose from being sick, and it was great. So I'm actually pretty happy with this box too. This month has been good for Kinder and Petite Beauty. I've really enjoyed these boxes. I generally like Ellis Brooklyn scents. There's only like one that I really just didn't vibe with, but it wasn't bad, it just wasn't for me. I like Earth Harbor products when they're not full of fragrant ingredients, and I'm excited to have a second of this. On a sponge journey myself, so happy to have a second one, or another one from a different company. And I know I already love this hand cream, and I'm happy to have another one. So another A+ box, 2 A+ boxes in a row from Kinder and then Petit Vour. So I'm really happy with this. Overall, good box. So let me know what you thought of this box in the comments down below. I'd love your feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and of course more vacation footage coming shortly in the form of probably mostly shorts, but there might be a video here and there. So I thank you for joining me today, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!